My name is Nazish Qadeer, and I'm a PhD student at Deakin Institute of Frontier Materials. I'm working in the field of corrosion science. So, my research is mainly related to improving corrosion performance of zinc and zinc alloy coated wires through corrosion inhibitors. I think this research is highly important because there is an urgent need to replace chromate-based inhibitors, which are highly toxic and even carcinogenic. So there is a need to find some safer and more eco-friendly alternatives. I decided to complete my PhD at Deakin University because it has strong research potential and advanced world-class facilities. My PhD has given me the great opportunities to work closely both with the academic researchers and industry partners